Do you have the hiccups, honey? Mary. You got the hiccups? I know, it's terrible, isn't it? It's terrible. Let's get rid of those. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.